There has to be some dislocation of people that have jobs or would take jobs now that will no longer be available with AI as the tool that it is.
My point of view as a tech optimist is that the course of human history would suggest that every time there's some emergence of a new technology that fundamentally empowers human flourishing, it creates opportunity, doesn't restrict it. And it changes the nature of work for sure. I would take the point of view that every job will change in some way.
Sure.
And maybe not eliminated, but certainly certain tasks will be eliminated in all types of work, because you create then tools that can then perform work like a human might do, but now a digital worker is augmenting that person's set of jobs. I think about all the things that we can't even conceive of now that will become jobs that didn't exist 10 years ago. And I think that a lot of things that feel important to the economy today will feel as quaint as the person that was replacing kerosene on a lamp that was lighting the road, which was a really important job in the early 20th century and wasn't after Edison invented the light bulb. And so it just gets me really excited to think about the types of opportunity that will be created as you empower people with these technologies, because they truly are game shifting.
You just said a term that I've never heard before, tech optimist.
Yeah.
Like, I've never heard that before. Like, can you just define that real quick?
For me, it's the idea that technological change is a force for progress and good. And so it's the belief that the future is really exciting and that it's something to be really hopeful about, and that technology is a propulsion towards that goal.
Versus like the doom and gloom.
Right. That would suggest, this change is scary and we ought to really hold on tight because it's going to create a lot of negative outcomes. And I don't mean to be Pollyannish about the fact that disruptions happen. I sort of see that as a force for creative destruction in a positive sense that helps to expand the frontier of what's possible and really push humanity. It's a choice, for sure. It's a philosophy, I suppose, around how to see the future and take a more optimistic perspective on it. And I also recognize that, I'm voting with my feet a little bit on that, right? Deciding to start a technology company to play some role in helping prepare for that future. That's a choice too. But gosh, I look at human history. I was a history teacher before business school. Hardest and best job I've had in a lot of ways, taught in Birmingham, Alabama. But when I would talk about sort of the big waves of human progress that happened since the Industrial Revolution, this is, I think, very logical as an extension of a lot of the upward trend in prosperity and reductions of the cost of living standards, increases in the living standards and reductions in the cost of living that I think really make the future exciting.